So, what is conditional filtering? Filtering doesn't transform the data. It's kind of ironic. The second most commonly used transformer is a filtering transformer. And it's not really transforming the data, it's not changing attributes, it's not changing geometry. It's simply redirecting the data through different output ports. Ultimately, all of the filters are used to break up your stream of data so that you can deal with different types of data in different, translation pipelines. So here we see an example. We have a data stream coming in A. The filtering happens, and there's a number of filtering transformers, and they end up going out through ports B or C. Now, it's mostly done by attributes, but there's also spatial filtering as well. We saw a good example of this on day 2 when we generated a workspace, and FME automatically dropped in a geometry filter transformer that creates separate streams of data based on different geometry. And that was necessary to do because the output format didn't support all geometry types on all feature types. Okay, so we'll get straight into having you read through that lesson. So please review what is conditional filtering. The link is just above this message in the chat. And we'll continue at 9:10. And remember, as we go through the course, you've probably figured it out by now. If you have any questions, just drop them into the chat. And if you have any problems in the lab, just hit the request assistance button.